Assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is Akib Mushtaq. I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bootable USB pen drive. There are some minimum requirements to do so. The requirements are you should have Rufus software. You should have Windows 10 ISO file and you should have minimum 8 GB of pen drive. That means a pen drive whose minimum capacity should be 8 GB. First of all, I will teach you how to download this Rufus software. I will minimize this. I will open my browser, click on the search bar and search for Rufus, R-U-F-U-S, Rufus, and click on enter. And here I will click on the very first link. Now I will scroll it downwards till I get these options. Now I'll click on the first link, Rufus 3.20, and start downloading. Once my software is downloaded, I will directly go to my download folders where my Rufus software has been downloaded. Now double click on this Rufus software and here you go. Device. Here you have to select your pen drive. I have only plugged one pen drive here, so by default my pen drive has got selected. Boot selection, disk or ISO image. As I earlier told you that the minimum requirement is we should be having an ISO image of that Windows 10 operating system. I will select, click on the select, and here's my ISO image. It can be anywhere else. In your case, I have to click on it and hit open. Now my ISO image has been selected. Image option, that is standard Windows installation. Keep it as it is. Partition scheme. Now this is important. This is really important. The partition scheme. Should I select MBR or should I select GPT? It depends upon your system configuration, your partition scheme style of your hard disk. To know that what kind of partition scheme you have got, just right click on the start button and select disk management. Here you can see disk 0 and disk 1. Disk 1 is my pen drive which is attached to the system and disk 0 is my hard disk. Right click on this disk 0 and hit properties, and here you have to click on volumes. Here you can see the partition style is master boot record, that's MBR. Now in my case I know my partition scheme. In your case you have to check it and accordingly you have to select here MBR or GPT, depends upon the configuration, depends upon the partition scheme you are having in your system, and then you have to click on start. Now it's all done, but Rufus software gives you a warning that your pen drive which you are going to install the operating system, which you are going to make bootable, will be all data will be vanished completely, data will be destroyed. And I will click on OK, and then I will pause the video because this process is going to be little longer, not little longer but just a little longer. I will click on OK and pause this video, and then I will resume it back once it is done. Okay, so our process is completed. You can see status is ready. Now simply close it and you are good to go. Now you can use this pen drive to format any system having partition scheme as MBR, that is master boot record. I hope you have learned how to make bootable USB pen drive. This was all about this video. If you like this video, do share this video, and if you are having difficulties doing this, just comment your problem. I will try to solve your problem. And subscribe our channel Mastermind Institute of Education Private Limited. Thank you for watching.